Hello everyone. How are you guys doing today? It's been a long time since I've done a live video and I just felt like I should do one this morning. I came across something yesterday that I thought some people might be interested in. So for those who don't know me, my name's Karen. I sometimes go by Boy Mom Foodie because I like to talk about food, but I also like to talk about other positive and uplifting things. And I have 5 boys and a lovely husband, and thus the name Boy Mom Foodie. Hi Mike, thanks for watching. So, finding the treasures among the chaos. How many people kind of feel like there's chaos around them? Pretty much everybody, right? Well, I am also, one of my boys in the background, I'm also in the middle of packing. And we are in full force packing mode. We are moving. And hi Meryl, thanks for watching. One of the things that I've been packing yesterday was all of my Thrive food. So my Thrive cans. And for people who know me, you probably know that I have a lot of Thrive cans to pack. And so while I was packing up some of my stuff, something was hiding behind the cans. And it goes along really well with a previous post that I had asking people if they were rethinking their preparedness management with everything that's going on. And the way things are going, we might need to be even more prepared ahead. So, because you know that there's not always just one emergency, there's other emergencies that can happen. And so this is not the only emergency we're going to have in our lifetime, right? So one of the things we talked about or chatted about in my previous post was it's hard to prepare, at least in Canada, for heat, loss of heat. How do you have a reliable source of heat? And I had made the comment that I had looked into it and it was pretty hard to find something reliable. But years ago, I made something and this is what I found, and it was kind of neat. I totally forgot about it. Now it's not going to be a huge source of heat, but it'll be enough to keep some people warm. Now this might look kind of strange, but check this out. I can't believe I forgot about this. So this is a terracotta pot, but inside there are more terracotta pots with a huge bolt-like thing. And you want as many of these big chunky metal bolts in here that you can to help with the heat. And what you do, I also have this that I set aside. I love, anyone that knows me well knows I love this curly black iron decorative stuff. But you put this down on the table, and I'll show you in just a second, and you turn this over you put little tea light candles on the ground underneath, and then you put this upside down on top of that. So I'll let you have a closer look here. Don't mind my messy house because, like I said, I'm packing. We are moving and we are excited about that. Hi Shannon, thanks for watching. And my house is in chaos from packing, but look at my little contraption here. Okay, so underneath is where you would put the tea lights, and it would then bring up heat, and it would heat up this whole system, and it would all get hot, and it actually radiates heat. So it is not enough to heat up my whole house, but it could heat up a room. And I packed away a whole bunch of my tea lights, so I don't have any to kind of demonstrate with that. And I kind of was trying to remember why I had so many tea lights to pack. and that is why. It's for my little heater, and it's not gonna, like I said, warm up my whole house, but it will warm up a room. And if I needed, that is my little source of emergency heat besides blankets. Hi Pauline, how are you today? So I would like to know what kind of things you guys have in your emergency preparedness for heat. We live in a climate where most of the year it's pretty cold. Are you selling these on Etsy? Mike asks. No, this was just a home project that I made. My husband probably shook his head at, what are you doing? But I just thought, you know, I have to do something, even if I could get a little bit of heat for my family if I ever needed. This is one way of doing it. I know there are a few solar panel type heat sources. Problem is, in the cold, we also don't have a lot of sunlight for solar stuff. But on top of all this, I would love to know what kind of things you guys are finding. What treasures are you finding among all the chaos around us? Are you finding the silver lining? Are you seeing the positive things around you? Don't let the negative things pull you down. Try to stay positive. Try to be happy. Try to be a good example to those around you. Pauline says hi. Thanks, Pauline. And you're doing well. That's wonderful. What kind of things are you doing to feel and see the good around you right now? Because there is a lot of good. We just have to look for it. Sometimes we have to look hard, but it's there. Anyways, I hope that you guys have an awesome day and that this has inspired you to look for the treasures among the chaos today. Mike says, I found my toothbrush charger today. That was a positive. Yeah, it just feels awkward using an electric toothbrush without the electricity in it. I got you there, Mike. All right, well, you guys have an awesome day and see you later. Bye.